Hello everyone, it's Lobos here again with another video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and also share with your friends and family so they can also have the opportunity to become part of this amazing YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see from the title, this is a travel vlog video. I moved from Ghana to United States for my studies and I completely forgot to shoot my introduction video. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and also share with your friends and family. Enjoy! Hello fam, welcome once again. As I said earlier in my intro video, this is a travel vlog and as you can see, this is the Kotoka International Airport. This is where I'll be having my first flight from Kotoka International Airport to Doha in Qatar. So guys, as you can see, it's currently boarding time and I'm making my way to the aircraft which is going to carry me from Kotoka International Airport to Doha in Qatar. As you can see, everyone is already seated and we are waiting for takeoff. Shortly after takeoff, the flight attendants came around to inquire from us what we would like to drink, whether we would like to take in coffee or tea. For me, I took coffee. And I took coffee because I wouldn't like to sleep, so I can stay awake and then watch some movies and then also enjoy the view outside the window. So guys, if this is your first time flying, the screen in front of you, which you use in watching videos, can equally be used to track how far you have gone and how close you are to landing.
Your gateway to the world. The local time here is 5:10 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead bin storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Travelers on board in first and business class are invited to use the exclusive premium transfer facility in Transfer Hall. It's been our pleasure taking care of you today. Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. In order to ensure the smooth disembarkation process, we ask you that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacant. Qatar Airways going places together. Thank you and have a good morning.
So guys, as you can see, it's morning already in Qatar and we are moving from the aircraft to a shuttle which will take us to our connecting flights. At this time, you'd have to go through immigration and security as well, and you also have to check on the airport board to see where your connecting gate or your connecting flight gate will be. So as you can see from your screen right now, I'm making my way to my connecting gate or the connecting flight. So I am looking for it. It wasn't easy. Qatar has one of the biggest airports and one of the best airports. It's very big. So at the airport in Qatar, this is where most gates can be found. Now I have to just find my right gate so I don't miss my flight or I don't get into the wrong boarding area. Hello guys, so as I look exhausted, if you don't mind my face, I'm making my way towards my connecting flight, which is from Qatar to Seattle, Tacoma. So guys, it's currently time for boarding. They've called on all passengers, so I'm making my way to the aircraft, which will take me from Qatar to Washington, Seattle, Tacoma. So guys, I have found my seat and I'm already seated waiting for other passengers to also board so the flight can take off. Shortly after takeoff, the flight attendants came around as they usually do because it's time to eat. You can't possibly fly without eating. So they served us something. After eating, it was now time to relax, watch movies, play games, or track how long it will take for us to get to our final destination. Hey guys, so after a long flight, we finally landed in Seattle Tacoma Airport.
Tacoma International Airport, where the local time is 40 minutes past to the hour of 11 in the morning and the outside temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment. Ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. The German airport regulations require you to identify and collect all checked baggage and proceed through immigration customs regardless of your final destination. Ensure that mobile phones remain switched off until you clear the customs area. Thank you for choosing your pilot Qatar Airways.
So guys, as you can see, I'm finally making my way to passport control and immigration. This is the port of entry for me in the United States. Therefore, they need to verify my visa, my passport information, and also they need to scan my luggages. So guys, this is just to remind you, I am currently at the Seattle Tacoma International Airport. This is one of the biggest airports in the United States and is also a port of entry for non-immigrants, immigrants as well as US citizens. So as you can see, I am still walking towards passport control and the baggage claim area. This airport is very big, so you have a lot of walking to do. Prepare for that. So guys, this is how the baggage claim area looks like, and from here you move to immigration. So I have to get my bags now. So guys, finally I'm done with passport control and immigration and I'm heading towards my connecting flight. So now it's time for me to look for my next gate, which is my connecting flight from Seattle Tacoma International Airport to Kansas City Airport. So finally, this is my last airport, and this is the Kansas City Airport. From here, I have to catch a train to my school. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.